everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57, and on this video I want to show you and do a review on Beauty Big Bang's latest Christmas water decals. This is a set of 5. You can purchase them as a set or actually individually. If you may, I will have the links down in the description bar below, as well as my code. You may apply NAQ57 for 10% discount across the entire website. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and show you up close these, each one out of the package, just so you can see what they look like. But I am going to take at least one. I'm not sure, I haven't looked through the packaging to see which one I'm going to open and actually try them on some tips. And I'm going to apply them on some false tips because I'm not quite ready to part with my fall manicure here as I'm recording this video. So let me go ahead and remove these out of the package so you can see them up close. Okay, so these are the two that I'm going to incorporate on my design. And just to let you know, guys, okay, so on as far as instructions on how to apply these, the very first thing, they are water decals, and the very first thing that you want to do if you are new to these is remove this clear plastic film. You see it right there? That is there just to protect your decals. And I personally, once I remove it, that's it. I don't put it back. I just leave it out. And you just have to make sure you protect these when you put them away. And another something else that I want to let you know, so these are, I mean, if you have very long nails, this could be a challenge. You might find them that they're a little too short, but if you have images like, let's say this one right here, and if you see how it just has the top, it has kind of like the snowflakes, just the area is white right there. You can make your base white and then just leave it, apply it towards the tip of the nail. Same thing with this one right here. I hope you understand what I'm trying to convey there. And something like this, you can also get creative on cropping the image. So let's say maybe you don't want the blue that is here, but you can crop the Santa Claus out of there and just use the Santa, you know, crop around the hat and then just use it from the bottom. And I will do that for this one so you will see what I mean. So just a demonstration that, I mean, there are various ways that you can use these. You can combine them with your stamping. You can just use them with solid colors and use them as an accent nail. You don't have to cover every single nail with a design, but yes. So I'm gonna go ahead and start a tutorial with these, and I hope you guys enjoy. Okay guys, so for both sets I went ahead and actually prepared all nails with a white base, and you can use a gel polish or a regular polish, that will be fine. Just make sure that if you use regular polish it has been completely dried now, and that is because sometimes you don't know if the background, if the image it's going to be clear or if it actually is white, and that's one thing that you don't know until it's already out of the backing. Okay, so I do have some water here, just some regular tap water, and these water decals I found them best to go ahead and submerge them in water, and I'm going to let them sit for about 20 seconds. Okay, now that it's out of the water, actually guys, it wasn't until I was working with She Modern water decals that I learned to use the stamper as for placements. So yes, I like using this trick for any other water decal as well. And as you can see, this one, see, it's just clear. Now don't worry about the excess, any excess that you have, and even if this is on your skin, this cleans up very easy with acetone. Now for this middle nail, what I want to do a stamp against the backdrop, so it will be the backdrop of the Santa that I crop like that, and I'm going to make it this image right here, and this is stamping plate from Beauty Big Bang XL033. And look at there, guys. I have to say that I got lucky with this one because look, his beard and the trim of his hat, it's white. I was afraid it was going to be transparent because when I placed it on this nail, then you would have seen the backdrop, and I didn't want his this blue stripes to show on through his beard. So let's go ahead and place this here. Now you do see a little bit of it through it because the image is a little bit, you know, it's not solid. And had this been, if one thing that I could have done, because this is a gel polish, I could have cleaned those stripes from that area with acetone, but no worries, that's no problem. Now I'm going to go ahead and clean up the excess with acetone. Now I'm going to go ahead and finish this set with a gel top coat, but the other one I'm going to go ahead and use regular top coat, my Sedgefee, so you guys can see the difference, and you can see that the regular, I think I have, the regular top coat does not damage these water decals. Here are both set. Aren't they adorable? And one thing I will tell you, so when you get creases on these because of your C-curve, don't worry about that. I mean, a lot of it, most of it disappears, and I will tell you the truth, I noticed most of them disappeared better or easier when I use the Sedgefee, and I believe that's due to because it is a regular top coat. As you apply it on that water decal, it tends to, if I'm using the right word, maybe kind of like melt the plastic more into place, whereas the gel, well, we know how gel works. I mean, it's like it really did not have any reaction to the plastic at all. It just glides right on, and so anything that was there pretty much left it there, but most of them did disappear. You will see at the end I will have some up close pictures of these. But yes, these are absolutely adorable, very good quality water decals, fun to play with, a lot of great ideas you can do. Oh, and you saw how I did here. Yeah, I did talk to you about how I did the stamp there for the Santa, for the backdrop of the Santa. Now I'm kind of sad that I don't have these for my actual nails. But anyway, if you guys have any questions about these, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. Remember that you may use my code NAQ57 for a 10% discount. I would like to thank Beauty Big Bang for sending me these gorgeous decals to play with and review. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.